Good morning to all. This is Anusha from Green Valley School. I am the class teacher of 5th standard. Today, going to be conducting 5th standard prayer. First, prayer is going to be taken Fuzail Ahmad, Tamil Thai Varthu group. Thought of the day is Saad Muhammad. Storytelling by Nazifa. Word of the day is Kavilash. Tirukural is Ashita. Activity by me, followed by National Anthem song. First, I call upon Fuzail to say the prayer.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. A'udzu billahi minasyaitonir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Ar-Rahmanir Rahim. Maliki yaumiddin. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. Ihdinas siratal mustaqim. Siratal ladzina an'amta 'alaihim ghairil maghdubi 'alaihim waladdallin. Amin. Sadaqallahul azim.
தமிழ் தாய் வாழ்த்து. நீராறும் கடலுடுத்த நிலமடந்த கெளிரும் பரத தெக்கணம் நுதலும் தரித்தனரும் திலகமுமே அத்திலக வாசனை போல் அனைத்துலகும் இன்பமுற எத்திசையும் புகழ் மணக்க இருந்த பெரும் தமிழனங்கே தமிழனங்கே உன் சீரிழமை திறம்பியந்து செயல் மறந்து வாழ்த்துதுமே வாழ்த்துதுமே வாழ்த்துதுமே.
I call upon Saad to say thought of the day.
Good morning to all. Thought of the day. Be strong but not rude. Be kind but not weak. Be humble but not timid. Be proud but not arrogant. Be bold but not bully. Thank you.
Thank you, Saad. Now I call upon Nazifa to tell a story.
Good morning to all. Today's story: the ant and the grasshopper. In a field one summer's day, a grasshopper was hopping about, chirping and singing to its heart's content. An ant passed by, peering along with great effort. And hereupon he was taking to the nest. Why not come and chat with me, said the grasshopper, instead of tolling and gnawing away. I am helping to lay up food for the winter, said the ant, and recommend you to do the same. Why bother about winter, said the grasshopper. We have got plenty of food at present. But the ant went on its way and continued its toil. When the winter came, the grasshopper found itself dying of hunger, while it saw the ants distributing every day corn and grain from the stores they had collected in the summer. Then the grasshopper knew, moral, work today and you can reap the benefits tomorrow. Thank you.
Thank you, Nazifa. Next, I call upon Kavilash to say word of the day.
Good morning. Good morning to all. Word of the day: moiling, moiling, M-O-I-L-I-N-G, moiling, meaning workout. Sentence: I am moiling to achieve my goal. Thank you.
Thank you, Kavilash. Next, I call upon Ashita to say Tirukural.
வணக்கம். இன்றைய திருக்குறள். குறள்: பெருமையுடையவர் ஆற்றுவார் ஆற்றின் அருமையுடைய செயல். பொருள்: பெருமை பண்பு உடையவர் செய்வதற்கு அருமையான செயலை செய்வதற்கு உரிய நிலையில் செய்து முடிக்க வல்லவர் ஆவார். நன்றி.
Thank you, Ashita. Before going to activity, I will ask one question. Where do you all live? in house. Yes, yes, we are living. Yes, we are living house. So, what are all the materials that used to build a house? That is sand, iron, bricks. So, those are the materials we used to build a house. So, today we are going to see an interesting topic, that is shapes. So, based on these shapes only, today we are going to build a house. Okay, let me see a video now. There is a collection of shapes is there. Listen carefully. I will be asked question at the end of the video. So listen. There is a collection of shapes. That is totally how many shapes we have means 13 shapes we have. Now we are going to place one shape. What is the shape name is? It is an rectangle. See, it will be shown that it is an rectangle. Then next shape is going to place there, whether it is a square or it is a rectangle. It is an rectangle. She has placed there, it is a rectangle. So totally we have now 2 rectangles are there. Now another one shape he has taken out. What is this shape? It is an triangle. Yes, she has placed that. She will show now. Yes, this is the shape of an triangle. She is placing now door. What is this shape? Whether it is square or it is rectangle. Oh, it is also an rectangle. So now how many rectangles we placed in this image? That is 3 rectangles we are placed. Now 2 squares, that is 2 windows. The shape of the windows is square. That is 2 square. Totally now we have 3 rectangles, 1 triangles and 2 squares we placed. See, she's shown that is 2 squares we are placed there. Next thing, what image, what shape he is going to place there? Listen carefully. It is an rectangle. So 2 rectangles is placing there. Now see my dear students, how many rectangles totally she has placed now? 5 rectangles totally she has placed now. 2 squares and 1 rectangle, triangle. Now see, what is the shape she has placed there in this tree? It is also a triangle. So how many triangle in this image? 2 triangle in this image. 5 rectangles we are placed. Then what is the image she is placing there? It is an oval shape. See, she has shown that it is an oval shape. Next, one more thing she has placed. What is that? Circle. She has placed, there is a circle image. Then what is this image? It is an trapezium. Okay. She has shown that this is the shape of a trapezium. Last thing, that is, it is also an oval shape. So totally we have 2 oval shape, 1 trapezium, 2 squares, 2 triangles and 5 rectangles. So totally how many shapes we get together? 13 shapes we are get together. Have you understand? Shall I repeat? 5 rectangles we placed, 2 squares in this image and 2 triangles is there, 2 ovals is placed in this image and 1 circle. So totally how many images used to build this house? 13 images we used. Okay. Shall we move to the question now? Yes, my dear students, what is the first question? Yes, this is the first question. How many triangles are there at home? This is the question. Please answer. Put your answer into the chat box. That is, how many triangles are there at home? This is the question. Give the answer. Give the answer in the chat box. Yes, 2. Masrura told 2. Very good. Next. Very good, very good. Mustaqin is also said 2. Ulfat is also said 2. Very good, very good. Most of the students is said good answers only. Shall I check what is the answer for the first question? Yes, the answer is 2. Very good. The students who are answer is 2. Congratulations. Next, shall we move to second question? What is the second question? That is, how many shapes are used in total to build each house? So, totally, how many shapes we use to build a house? This is the question. Yes, 13. 13 is the answer. Muhammad had answered 13. Very good. Nice involvement. Ulfat Jabin is also told 13. Sajid 13. Muhammad 13. Very good. Harini is also told 13. Okay. Shall we check the answer now? What is the answer of the second question? Yes, 13. Very good. No one is said wrong. All are said correct. Okay, shall we see third question? What is the third question? What is the third question means? That is, how many triangle shapes are there in this house? So, how many triangles we placed in this house? The third question is, how many rectangular shapes are there in this house? So, how many rectangular shapes we used in this house? That is 5. Saad said 5. Faris also said 5. Harini, Muhammad, Mutazil. Very good, very good. Nice involvement. Yalini, Wafa, all are told 5, 5, 5. Okay, shall we check what is the answer? Yes, the answer is 5. Congratulations, those are said correct answers. All the students are said correct answers only. Nice participation. Activity is over. Let us all rise up for National Anthem song.
जनगणमन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल वंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
Coming 15th August, we are celebrating that Independence Day. I request all the students to participate in all the competitions, and next assembly will be conducted on Monday. Thank you.